Hi, you're welcome. In our previous lesson, we looked at personal pronouns. In this lesson, we are going to look at possessive pronouns. Now, the objective for this lesson. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify possessive pronouns and use them appropriately in sentences. So what are possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership. They indicate possession. So if I want to indicate that something belongs to me or somebody, I make use of possessive pronoun. So for example, my phone is on the table. My phone is on the table. Now I have a possessive pronoun here, mine. Now this possessive pronoun indicates the owner of the phone. So it is mine. So I use mine to qualify phone. So this shows the owner of the phone. So examples of possessive pronouns include mine, our, your, her, his, their, its. Others include mine, ours, yours, hers, and theirs. I divided it this way because the first part are in the subjective case, and the other parts are in the objective case. Now let's look at some specific possessive pronouns, especially with the difference between its and it. Mind you, the two words have the same pronunciation, but they have different writings and different meanings. So it is a possessive pronoun. It shows possession. So I can say that is my phone, and that is its cover. Now take note of this. I have its, and that is a possessive pronoun. It is a possessive pronoun because it indicates that this cover belongs to my phone. Take note, the cover belongs to my phone. So its cover, the it is referring to the phone. Now let's look at that as against T''s. Now we say that this is the contracted form of it is. The contracted form of it is. So if you have this, you have this sentence, the meaning is that it is mine. So basically, sentence 1 is a contracted form of sentence 2. Make sure you don't confuse the two. So that implies that you can't say I saw its title, because this sentence means I saw it is title, which is grammatically wrong. So take note of the difference between it and it. Same applies to your and you are. So you are is the contracted form of you are, and then your is a possessive pronoun. The same applies to their and their. So their is a short form of they are. So don't confuse the two. Now note this. Possessive pronouns never take apostrophe. I repeat, possessive pronouns never take apostrophe. So when you write your letter and then you are subscribing, don't write yours faithfully and then put apostrophe here. No, this is wrong because possessive pronouns do not take apostrophe. So the correct thing is to have Y-O-U-R-S without apostrophe. Shall we have a quick review? Yes. So we say that pronouns are used in place of a. So fill the space with the correct answer. The second one, sometimes the pronoun is the. Complete that space of the sentence. Other times, the pronoun receiving the action is called the. Pronouns that show ownership are called. Answer these questions. Now, in this lesson, we had a look at possessive pronouns. We did mention that possessive pronouns are used to indicate possession. They show that something belongs to someone. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at demonstrative and relative pronouns. See you in our next lesson.